Welcome to my channel. I'm Nina. In this video, I am sharing with you my experience at the Delano Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. This hotel made it worth coming to Las Vegas. I'll be sharing our personal experiences, and if gambling isn't your thing, don't worry. I'll share some tips throughout this video that will help you enjoy your time in Las Vegas too. The first thing that makes this hotel fabulous, the smell. I know that is an odd thing to say. You'll understand once you're here. You'll feel like you've been stripped off of all things smoky, and you'll instantly feel a calmer experience that lets you ease into relaxing. Every hotel room has 1.5 baths. It's great, even for 2 people. Be aware that wet bar that you saw costs a lot of money. Even the cup of coffee has a sensor. No free drinks. You can't even use the fridge for free. The charge was $50 a day for top shelf usage. Now don't let that stop you from staying here because this bedroom makes it worth it. It is a very comfortable bed. The closet, you'll actually want to unpack your luggage, hang up your clothes, and use the drawers to keep yourself organized. Just because you don't have a view of the strip, you will find this view amazing. We upgraded to the Staywell room. I highly recommend it because that provides an air purifier and that will just make the room feel cleaner. That's the one great thing about this hotel, how clean it was. After staying at the Luxor Hotel, this place was immaculate. The bathroom was huge. You have a separate washroom, a great mirror with lighting, shelving, cubby holes, keeping yourself organized, and you have a TV, which was pretty awesome when you're taking a bath in the soaking tub. Time just passed on by. Just because you don't have a view of the strip, you'll find this view amazing. We kept our drapes open at night so we could look out and see the lights and in the distance the mountains. And of course the Allegiant Stadium across the way was really cool too. The Delano is attached to the Mandalay Bay, so you have access to their amenities, such as the famous wave pool and beach area. There is also a spa at the Mandalay Bay. I highly recommend it. Now, the Delano does have their own pool area. However, I'm not sure how exclusive it is because they didn't ask me to show my Delano key, but it is a private pool area for guests staying there. Hotel prices range depending on the day of the month, time of year, or if any events are going on. Beware, you might think you're paying $125 a night, but you're actually paying $185 after all those fees. We enjoyed our dinner at the Foundation Room that's located at the Mandalay Bay. I will mention the Yelp reviews weren't great. However, we found our personal experience quite enjoyable. The staff were very nice in the restaurant, the food was tasty, the atmosphere was romantic, and of course you had amazing views of the Las Vegas Strip. If you're celebrating a special occasion, make a note in your reservation and sometimes they will treat you to a dessert or maybe an appetizer. One of our favorite experiences was going to the Michael Jackson 1 performance, also located at the Mandalay Bay Hotel. Staying at the Delano is a perfect location because it's literally down the hallway from the hotel entrance to the Mandalay Bay. I would go back to Las Vegas just to rewatch the Michael Jackson performance. Tickets are around $70 and depending on the seat selection. Also, they're not refundable. If you can't attend, you can call MGM and they will change the date of your ticket for a future time. I also want to say that the MGM, Delano, and Mandalay Bay staff, they were so easy to deal with and were actually a refreshing customer service. Next up, do a tour of the Allegiant Stadium, home of the Raiders, baby. Even if you're not a football fan, I think you would still enjoy this experience. The tickets start around $65 a person. Go to their website, select a date and time. I had an amazing tour experience. I do have another video specifically about my Allegiant Stadium tour. Please check it out. I have a link in the description of this video. Because I'm a foodie, I had to mention go to the Cosmopolitan Hotel and try out Momo Fuko. The bartenders were attentive, made fabulous drinks, and even customized a special cocktail to go with my spicy garlic ramen. It was so good. Really enjoyed this meal. So I'm sure you've heard a lot about the Venetian Hotel. It's a popular destination on the Las Vegas Strip. It's been there for years. The hotel has a lot of luxury brand stores, and they are also known for that catamaran boat experience. Honestly, I was a little disappointed with the shopping. However, I would still go again because it's something to do, and if you like to shop and people watch, then it will help pass the time. The hotel is also known for the love sign that many people take photos in front of. I will say, it's extremely crowded and packed and kind of annoying dealing with that many people wanting to take a photo there, but I get it, it's pretty, and if you go with knowing this, at least you'll be prepared to wait around. For my final experience, and it's free too, you'll be impressed with the beauty of the Botanical Gardens at the Bellagio Hotel. The scene experience does change for the season and special holidays. It's also very crowded. In fact, it was laughable crowded because I could barely take a video with everyone just standing around taking photos. So I highly recommend going early when they first open. That way it might allow you to have better access to roam the area free. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. If you would, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Take care, and I wish you the best.